are more than welcome back to Little Miss Drop Stitch. Today I'm going to be showing you the magic knot, and honestly once you start using this in your knitting and crochet projects you will not go back. I found it a bit tricky to learn initially, so I'm actually going to shut up while I do the video, and hopefully I've come up with a way of showing you that's super easy to get in the first couple of times. Don't forget to give us a like, thumbs up, subscribe and all that good stuff. Why might we want to learn the magic knot? Well, this is a scarf I did and hadn't learned the magic knot by then, and it just doesn't look as good or as professional. It's probably more likely to come out as well, get plucked, get caught. If you're making something for young people, they might be more inclined to pull it. So now I use the magic knot on absolutely everything.